Let us learn about the common irregular verbs in English today. A verb in which the past tense is not formed by adding the usual ed ending is called an irregular verb. Arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awoken, be, was or were, been, beat, beat, beaten, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, bend, bent, bent, bet, 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 bite, bit, bitten, bleed, bled, bled, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, bring, brought, brought, build, built, built, burn, burned or burned, burned or burned, burst, 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 buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught, choose, chose, chosen, come, came, come, cost, 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 cut, 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 dig, dug, dug, do, did, done, draw, drew, drawn, dream, dreamt or dreamed, dreamt or dreamed, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feed, fed, fed, feel, felt, felt, fight, fought, fought, find, found, found, fly, flew, flown, forget, forgot, forgotten, get, got, got, give, gave, given, go, went, gone, grow, grew, grown, have, had, had, hear, heard, heard, hide, hid, hidden, hit, 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 hold, held, held, hurt, 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 keep, kept, kept, know, knew, known, lead, led, led. Learn, learned or learned, learned or learned. Leave, left, left. Let, let, let. Hide, hid, hidden. Lie, lay, lain. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Run, run, run. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spend, spent, spent. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Understand, understood, understood. Wear, wore, worn. Win, won, won. Write, wrote, written. Learn these irregular verbs to improve your command in English language.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.